So today we're making crinkled cookies. We're gonna start with 1 cup of cocoa powder. And we're gonna sift this just to make sure that everything's smooth and just smoothen any bumps. Like so. To that we're adding 2 cups of sugar. And half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil, but of course you can use whatever you want. And then just mix everything together. Now we're going to gradually add 4 eggs. So just put 1, mix it in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna sift these as well, just to make sure that everything's still smooth. Now our 2nd cup, and to that I'm gonna add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This is what I need. Half teaspoon of salt, and just mix everything together and sift it. Now just combine everything. So once you finish mixing, this is what your mixture will look like. It's kind of pretty much like a thick brownie. I'm gonna use my cookie scooper or your ice cube scooper just so that I can have even ones. Form it into a bowl and dip it in your powdered sugar, and then put it here, and then just continue this. I'm just gonna do this. Then set them all. Alright, so my first batch is ready, and it actually looks so good. It looks like as if it's already done. But anyways, I'm gonna put it in my preheated oven for around 9 to 10 minutes. Alright, so my first batch is ready, and they look so good. And I just realized because they grew more than I expected them, so as for my 2nd batch, I just extended create more distance, increase the distance between each cookie basically. So when you take them out the oven, they're going to be very soft and fragile, so just leave them to cool down. If they were sticking or anything, what you can do, just take a spatula or this, and then just divide them, just separate them all, so that once they're cool, and they won't basically break if you try to separate them. So always do that separation when they're still lenient and warm. And now the 2nd batch, apparently it will cook faster because the oven's already hot, so leave it for around maybe 7 to 8 minutes. These baked for 9 minutes. The others I just put an alarm for 8 minutes. It's only 7 minutes, but by the looks of it and the cracks, because they're big now, that means it's done. So I'm gonna take them out and just let them cool down completely before time for the taste test. Wow, they look like basically fudgy brownies. They actually taste like brownies. They're so... If you like fudgy brownies, they're so good. They're a bit crunchy from the outside, very, very soft from the inside.